Want to make the cuttest accessory ever in under 10 minutes? Stick around, because these adorable crochet cherries are the perfect way to spice up your hair or your keychain without needing any complex techniques. It's super quick, beginner-friendly, and makes for the perfect gift. Let's get started. Step 1. The cherries make 2. Materials: red yarn crochet hook, fiberfill stuffing, foundation, chain for and join with a slip stitch to form a small ring. Round 1. Work 6 single crochet SC into the center of the ring. 6 stitches. Round 2. Increase by working to SC into each stitch around. Round 3. 1 SC, then 1 increase. Repeat around. 12 stitches. Rounds 4 to 6. Work even 1 SC in each stitch around. 18 stitches. Stuffing. Lightly stuff with fiberfill before closing. Round 7. 1 SC, then 1 decrease. Repeat around. 12 stitches. Round 8. Decrease around until the hole is closed. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Repeat this to make your second cherry. Step 2. The leaves. Material: green yarn. Foundation: chain 8. Working the leaf. In the second chain from the hook, work 1 slip stitch. 1 SC in the next stitch. 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 SC in the next stitch. 1 slip stitch in the last chain. Repeat. You will work back down the other side of the starting chain to mirror the stitches and give the leaf its shape. Fasten off, leaving a long tail for assembly. Step 3. The stem and hair tie chain. Materials: green yarn. The chain: chain 55. This long chain will serve as the base that wraps around the hair or attaches to a keychain ring. Connecting. Once you have your 55 chains, attach your 2 cherries to the ends of the stems. You can use a short length of green yarn for each cherry stem, connecting them to the center of the 55 chain strand. Sew your leaves onto the center of the 55 chain strand. And there you have it. Your cute cherry accessory is ready to wear or gift. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy crochet projects. That was such a fun and quick project. What other fruit-themed or nature-inspired crochet accessories would you like to see me make next? Drop your suggestions in the comments.